1, 2, 3. Hi everybody! Today we're gonna do a new video. We're gonna be opening up what kind of toys, Sarah?
Like Hatchimals!
Woo! Hatchimal toys. Are you ready for that?
Yeah!
Are you gonna rub it to make sure that they hatch?
Yeah!
Yay!
And make sure it's pink!
She wants it to be pink. Lauren, what color do you want it to be? Yay!
And you
Bravo!
rub it so it can be pink!
Is that how you open it?
Yeah!
You rub it and change its color?
Yeah!
Okay, well let's see who's gonna bring the Hatchimal today. I think it's gonna be something cool.
I think so. But I want a fluffy one because the fluffy one is so cute because I want those ones.
And how's your face gonna be when you see the fluffy one? What are you gonna say when you see the big fluffy Hatchimal? What are you gonna do? Wow. I see you peeking.
Okay. I think that one is peeking.
Uh-oh, don't peeking.
But I'm not peeking.
No, you're not peeking. You're peeking. Okay, so now we're gonna go open the Hatchimal. Say bye. It's not mommy, it's a dinosaur. Bye, dinosaur. Thank you for the toys. Oh, the dinosaur's leaving.
Wow, so girls, what thing brought you the Hatchimals?
The dinosaur.
Oh my god, me? I wasn't the dinosaur.
Yeah, I showed you there.
Oh man. Okay, well, I guess I was the dinosaur.
I showed you.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Show them. What do you got? What kind of Hatchimals do you got there?
I got a koala.
A koala. Oh, what else? Show Poppy. You gotta show.
I got some eggs too.
Well, let's count them. 1,
1,
2.
2, 3, and 4.
Good job. Good counting. How about over here? What do you think we got over here? What is it?
She got a monkey and
Oh, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job. High five. Let's go
And
ahead and let's
even
open
the
them up.
mystery.
Yeah, the mystery eggs. Let's open them up. Are you ready?
Yeah. Because
Here we
I
go.
want to open my Hatchimal.
Okay, so then you get to open up yours. How about that?
Yeah, I know. Because I'm strong.
Oh, yeah. Do it.
Wow, Sarah.
These are mine and these are baby sisters.
How many do you have? Okay, how
Oh, I
many?
see a little crack here.
It's already opening? It's already hatching?
No, it's just a baby.
Oh, it's just a
Okay,
pelo.
so now we open it, Sarah.
This is mine. This is mine.
These are mine. These are mine. These are mine. We share everything we have, though.
I fluffy one.
You got a fluffy one?
Yeah.
Let me see.
I knew it.
Wow, Sarah, I'm so proud of you.
I knew
You
it.
opened up the Hatchimal by yourself. And you got a fluffy one just like you wanted.
Yeah, that's
Whoa, that's nice.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look, baby. And
Wow,
these are
look.
mine.
Baby, open one. Baby, open one. Look.
It's
What
a
did she get?
purple.
Let's get it out, baby.
Wait, it's a giraffe?
Yeah.
What color is the giraffe?
I don't know.
Look, it's a purple.
No.
It's a purple. It's a purple. This side's right.
Well, open it. I
Yeah,
got
open it.
Open it.
Let me see the giraffe.
Even
Sarah.
she knows.
Put
She
it
knows
in.
to rub it. Rub it, rub it, rub it. Rub it. A ver, with your finger.
Wow.
But this don't sense.
Yeah, it stands.
See? Goes pink. What a fluffy one. Can I see it?
No.
Rub it, rub it, rub it, rub it, rub it, rub it.
This one.
Then press in. Press in. Rub it some more. There. Gotta rub it. Rub it, rub it, rub it.
It's another fluffy one?
Oh my
Sarah,
god.
you got lucky.
Sarah's got a cool one.
Wow, those are nice.
Okay, look. Rub it, rub it,
Let
rub
me
it, rub it.
open the other one.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's working. Oh my god. It's hatching. Hatch it, baby.
Break it.
Open up that egg, baby.
I'm opening my
Yeah.
It's a blue one.
Oh, it's a colorful one. This one's colorful. Look how pretty. Daddy, look at this one. Oh my god, zoom in. It's really cool. It's a little toucan bird.
Wow, it's nice. I like it.
Let's put
You
it
like
over
it?
here. Put it over here with the others.
I got this one.
Okay, we're done. Oh, we got one more egg.
Uh-oh. Sister's egg. Look. You ready?
Okay, let's
rub
see
it,
what
rub it,
sister
rub it, rub
does.
it. Here. Open it, please. It's hatching.
It's hatching, baby. Open it, open it. I see my baby.
Oh my goodness. I think
It's
that
a
was
blue
my favorite.
one. That was my favorite.
Mine too.
Ah,
It's my favorite.
It's a little walrus. Mermaid seal
And
thingy.
look at my
Magic.
mine.
yeah, well, I guess.
Yay.
How do you like your Hatchimal eggs, Mom?
I like it.
I like it too. That was fun. Whoa.
Wow.
Look at them all down.
Okay, well, let's say bye to everybody.